what's up guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So this is Melon. Welcome back for another tutorial guys. So welcome back for another video. So today's video mga lods, gagawin naman tayo ng tutorial about dun sa trending ngayon. Since marami nagre-request nito, so gagawin natin ng tutorial for today's video guys, no? So yes, before natin start ng video na to, so sa mga bago pa lang dyan, so ito yung bagong channel ko guys. So dito na ako nag-upload. And yeah, subscribe na kayo guys and hit that notification bell para updated kayo sa next nating upload, okay? So yes, so let's start na agad mga lodi, no? So dito sa pinaka-project natin guys. Okay, so dito sa pinaka-project natin guys, no? So yung project settings natin ay basic extend the ratio, 1080p yung resolution guys, frame rate is 30 fps, and background is black lang natin guys, okay? Next guys, after dito, so yes, ganyan yung project settings natin. So dito naman is nilagay ko dito automatic yung sounds tsaka yung mga markings, no? So kindly check the comment section below for the markings, the sound link guys. So download nyo lang para magamit yung sounds. And let's start na agad guys. So first, add lang tayo ng first picture guys, no? So pick up lang kayo ng picture na gusto natin so isa-isahin natin guys. Okay, so itong isang picture na ilagay natin, extend lang natin siya dito na part guys. Wait lang. Dito sa may 16.05, okay? Okay, ganyan. After dito mga lods, so ano na agad natin to guys, move and transform na agad natin to, no? So next step is move and transform this picture guys, okay? Zoom icon tayo dito. First, put a keyframe here guys. Okay, and the second one dito is, ano lang natin siya guys, is i-zoom lang natin ng ganito. Ganyan, zoom lang natin ng ganyan, ng mga 1367, ganyan. And the next dito na part guys, unzoom nyo lang siya ng ganito. Ganyan. Okay, then the last one, ganyan nyo lang, no? And the last part is zoom lang natin siya ng ganito guys. Yan, okay. Then after dito mga lods, next copy nyo tong graph na to guys. The first graph, click nyo to guys, yan. Okay, and then click nyo to, itong pangalawa, yan. And then i-click nyo to guys, ito, yung para ma-revert siya, yan. And then itong yellow na to guys, yellow na i-ganyan nyo siya, okay. Sundan nyo lang guys. Ayan. After that, so dito sa next graph, dito is ganito yung graph niya dito mga lods. And the last part is ganito naman. Yan, okay. After dito mga lods, so punta na agad tayo doon sa 360 spin. So dito 360 spin. First, put the keyframe here guys, which is 0 degrees. Second one dito guys, adjust lang siya into positive 15 degrees. Okay, then the last part guys, dito is change lang into negative 360 guys, which is 0 degrees negative. Ayan. Then copy nyo itong graph na to guys, click nyo ulit yan. Then click nyo itong pangalawa, and then iganto nyo lang guys, ihilain nyo lang itong yellow na part na yan. Ayan. Okay, and then dito naman, same pa rin, click this one, and then click this, ito. And then i-revert nyo siya guys, ito. And then hilain nyo din to, ayan, ganyan. Ganyan. Okay, ganyan yung kalabasan niya mga lods. Okay, so that's the move and transform for our first step or sa first picture guys. Okay, next is add na agad natin to ng effects gagalodi, no? So unahin natin tong, yan na yung move and transform niya dyan. Okay, so add effects na agad tayo dyan mga lods. Okay, so click this one, effects, add effects tayo. First is the tiles, enable nyo lang mirror nito. And then offset guys, offset. Dito tayo mag-start maglagay ng offset guys ng keyframe. Dito sa may 14.06, put a keyframe guys, and adjust nyo lang siya into 0.241. 245 na lang, ayan. Then sa next part dito, change nyo lang siya guys into 10.00, okay? Okay, then offset vertically, enable nyo lang guys, no? By the way, then sa last part, continue, change nyo lang siya into 0 guys, no offset. Okay, then copy nyo tong graph na to guys. So this the first, the last graph, okay, ganyan. And then ito yung first graph, same pa rin, which is naka-revert lang din. Ayan. Okay, so that's the first effect, which is the tiles. So next effect, continue. Add na tayo ng next effect, which is the swing. Okay, swing guys, frequency. So wag niyang galawin. Start tayo sa angle 1, which is 0.02 negative. Angle 2 naman is positive 0.2. Ayan, degrees. Next, add na agad kayo ng oscillate, okay? Oscillate naman guys, angle, change into 90 degrees. And the frequency is 2 Hz, okay? Then the magnitude is 5. Okay. Next, after dito sa oscillate, duplicate nyo yung oscillate na yan guys. Then change nyo lang angle nito into, change nito into 0 degrees, okay? The frequency, change nyo naman into 2.30 Hz. The frequency. Okay, and the magnitude guys, 5, okay na yan. Next is duplicate, okay na yan. So next is add na agad kayo ng luma key guys. Okay, luma key, first keyframe dito. Change lang into 1, no, first keyframe. And dito sa my last keyframe guys, which is sa my 10 seconds na part. Dito guys, dito, ayan. So i-zero nyo lang siya dyan. Okay, then copy nyo itong graph natin mga idol, yan. Okay, so that's the luma key, no? So next is add kayo na lang ng motion blur guys. Okay, so ganyan na yung effects natin sa intro part mga lods. Okay, so sundan nyo lang yung yung step na ginawa natin. So next agad guys, so let's proceed with the next step na agad mga lodi, no, which is yung next part, which is yung laser eye style guys. Okay, so ganyan na, no? So, continue na agad tayo next guys. So, dito sa may dito. Add na agad tayo dyan ng next picture guys, no? And then ito, extend lang natin dito sa kabilang markings, which is dito. Extend. Okay. So, sa laser eye naman guys, so, add ko na lang yung mga elements doon. So, bali, punta ako sa project, no? So, nag-tutorial na ako nito guys. So, check nyo lang yung previous natin, tutorial. Andyan, ilagay ko lang sa description or sa comment section yung link nito guys. No? So, edit group ko lang to. So, nag-tutorial na ako nito guys. Check nyo lang yung tutorial andyan sa comment section. So, copy layer ko lang to, no? Copy for layers. Select nyo lang copy for layers. Then, punta lang tayo sa pinaka-project natin kasi i-paste na lang natin doon. Kasi meron ako, nag-tutorial ako nito guys. So, panoorin nyo lang, no? Para hindi na umaba tong video natin. Para hindi na mag-ulit-ulit. So, paste na lang natin dito yung laser eye na ginawa nyo. Okay? And then, split lang natin ito guys. Lahat dito na part. Align lang natin dyan. So, select natin lahat. Long press, select. Then, click nyo to guys. Para ma-delete yung the rest. Ayan. Okay, next, after that guys, so ayusin agad natin to guys. I-position natin kung saan na part natin ilagay yung mga elements, okay? So, bali, yes, ilagay lang natin to. Wait lang. Ayan, ilagay. And then, adjust lang natin, no? If medyo yung natin, subject, medyo maliit, so adjust nyo lang. Next, ito namang pangalawa. And then, ganyan nyo lang, unzoom para maging ganyan yung niya. And then, itong blink left eye. Wait lang. So, ito, no. Wait lang, ito palang dalawa guys. Long press nyo lang yan, select, then i-group na lang natin. Para hindi na, maging apat. Nakalimutan natin kanina. So, next, ito naman. Ganyan na lang natin din. And then, i-position nyo lang sa mata niya. Then, unzoom nyo lang pag gusto nyo siyang adjust. Okay? Yun. Okay. Next, yung itong part na to. Itong sa right eye. Yan. Okay. So, bali, ganito na yung kalabasan niya, guys. Okay. So, bali, ganito na siya. Ayan. Okay, so i-position nyo lang guys, no. Then, i-select natin tong tatlong layers na yan. And then, i-group natin siya, okay? So, i-select lang natin tong tatlong part na to. Select, long press lang natin. Okay, then, i-group natin siya guys. Click nyo tong sa taas. Group natin to, ganyan. Okay, after that, so i-click nyo to guys. Mag-fade out tayo dito sa last effect nya or sa last part. Okay, so click that one. Okay, itong ginroup natin. Click this blending capacity. Sa may 9.15 no, put i-keyframe. Then sa last part, i-zero nyo lang. para ganito na, ayan, mag-fade out siya sa last part, guys. Next, after yung ma-fade out, next step, guys, after dito is, ano nagad natin to, guys? Group naman natin tong dalawang to. Itong group 2, tsaka itong picture. Select natin yan, then group natin siya yan. Okay, so after yung mag-group, guys, no, next na agad natin gagawin. So, next step na tayo, no, which is i-move and transform natin tong ginroup natin, mga lods, which is ito. Ayan, so ganito lang siya, mga idol, no. So, ito, click that one, zoom icon tayo. First, puri keyframe dito sa first part, ayan. Then, dito guys, sa may 17.11, I mean, so, i-zoom lang siya ng konti. Ayan, ganyan lang. Okay, next, dito sa may 19.11, dito guys, zoom nyo pa rin siya ng konti, guys. Ganyan. Okay, then sa last part, unzoom nyo na siya, guys. Yan. Okay, then copy nyo tong graph na to, mga lods. Ganyan yung graph niya. Same lang. Okay, sundan nyo lang. Okay, next, punta tayo dun sa may 360 spin, guys. Dito, lipat tayo dyan. First, put a keyframe again here, 0 degrees. And the second one, after the next, so, bali dito, change lang siya, guys, into -5. Okay, and the next dito is +5 naman, guys. And the last part, change naman siya into 0. Okay, then same graph pa rin, guys. Ganyan pa rin yung graph niya. Yan. Okay, next, after dito mga loads, so ganyan yung move and transform dyan na part. Okay, so next agad natin gagawin is lagyan agad natin to ng effects. Okay, lagyan natin ng effects. First effect is tiles, enable nyo ng mirror. Okay, second one, oscillate. Oscillate, guys, change the angle into 95 degrees. Okay, then the frequency 0.40 Hz, guys. Okay, then the magnitude is 35. Okay? After dito is add na agad kayo ng next effect, which is the motion blur. So, motion blur, guys. After that, so add naman kayo ng oscillate ulit, okay? Oscillate naman, angle, change naman ito into 90 degrees. And the frequency is 1.03 Hz. Okay, and the next, the magnitude is 30. Okay, after this one, duplicate this oscillate again, guys. After ma-duplicate, change yung angle nito, yung frequency pala into 0.52 Hz, guys. Okay, next, after dito sa oscillate na to, guys, add effects agad tayo ng next, which is the random displacement effect, guys. Okay? So, dito, so start tayo sa magnitude. First key from the magnitude, guys, 50. Okay, okay na yan. Puri key from lang. And the second one is change lang siya into 0 degrees. I mean 0. Okay, next, the evolution, guys. First key from the evolution is 0.30. And the second one dito is 0 nyo lang, guys. Yan. Next is the seed. First key from the seed, guys, is 0.35. And the last keyframe is 0 nyo lang din. Okay, ganyan lang. And after this random displacement, guys, no? Ganyan na yung shakes niya dyan, mga idol. Okay? Okay, so wait lang, guys. So meron tayong nakalimutan na part dito. So edit group muna natin to, no? Nakalimutan natin mag-fade in yung picture. So, i-click nyo lang group 1. Click nyo tong edit group, guys, para ma-edit natin yung ginroup natin kanina. Okay, so itong picture, guys, pala, nakalimutan natin i-fade out. Click this blending opacity. Okay. So, puri keyframe muna dito sa may 2 seconds dito. Puri keyframe. And sa first part is 0% nyo lang. Para mag-fade in yung ano niya, pictures. Okay. Shoutout kay D. Ayan. So, ayan. Nag-fade in na siya, guys, yung picture na nilagay natin. Okay, so next step na agad, guys. So, doon agad tayo sa open and close style effect, guys. Okay? So, yung gagawin natin, yung preview, yung ilagay natin dyan na picture, guys, sa may 16.05. Yung same picture dito sa intro part natin, okay? So, ito. So, dito tayo mag-start maglagay, guys, sa may 16. Yan. So, add natin siya ng picture, guys. Same with the, sa intro part. Okay, ito. So, same dapat siya guys, no? Dun sa previous, okay? Then, split nyo lang siya dito guys na part sa may 17.07, I mean. Then, i-click nyo to guys. Okay, duplicate lang natin yan. Okay, after ma-duplicate, so, add naman tayo ng next guys, which is the rounded, itong triangle pala. Ito, yan. Then, iganto nyo lang siya guys. Okay, so, iganyan nyo lang siya dyan. Lagay, and then dito nyo naman i-drag, and then yung isa dapat nagaganyan siya guys. Okay, next, split din natin siya dito, align natin siya sa picture na ano natin na nilagay kanina. Yan, split lang natin siya dyan. Okay, then duplicate again this one. Okay, dapat dalawa guys. Okay, yan, next, i-click nyo tong isa, itong triangle na isa guys. Then i-click nyo tong 3 dots sa taas, i-ano nyo muna, flip horizontally. And then click this again, 3 dots, then flip vertically guys. Okay, then i-drag na lang natin siya dito. Down, ayan, para ma-close. Yan. Okay, so next step is mag-masking tayo guys. So i-click natin itong isang rounded rectangle, select nyo yan. I mean the triangle, itong isang picture. Okay, click itong sa taas guys. Yan, para ma-mask. Okay, next, i-click nyo naman to, i-select natin yan. And then, itong isang picture, select, then i-mask niya siya. Ayan, as you can see, okay na siya. Next guys, move and transform natin tong isa. Ganito nyo lang, move and transform sa move icon tayo. First, put a keyframe. And sa last part is i-drag into out nyo lang. Ayan. Then, copy this graph guys. Yan yung graph natin, take note. Next, dito naman sa kabila, sa upper part. So, put a keyframe dito sa first part, and sa last part is out nyo lang natin. Okay, then same graph pa rin guys. Okay, so bali ganito kalabasan niya. Yan. Nag-open effect siya guys, no? So, yes, after that step guys, so proceed na tayo for the next step guys. Okay, so dito na part mga lods sa may 14.24. Wait lang. Ay, no. Dito sa may 14.24, yan. Yeah, 14.24 guys. Yan. So, add lang tayo dyan ng ano guys, rounded rectangle, ito, add lang tayo dyan, ito, and then iganto nyo lang siya guys, and then ganyan nyo lang yung size, okay, ganyan, click this edit shape, radius is 0 nyo lang, and punta tayo dito guys sa may effects agad, split nyo muna siya dito guys sa may 16.19 guys, split nyo dyan, okay, ganyan, and after that, so shoutout kay Dave, add na agad tayo ng effects, na first effect is scalar repeat guys, count, i-change nyo lang into 13, okay, add nyo na scalar repeat, no, then next radius is 1255, okay, next is the evolution is, first keyframe the evolution is 0, and the last keyframe guys is change nyo lang into 5 guys. Okay, next, copy, walang graph to. Sa offset tayo guys, sa X ng offset is i-change lang into -11. Okay, so ganyan lang. And after this scalar repeat guys, add the next effect which is the displacement map. Okay, so search nyo na this search icon para makita nyo mga lahat ng effects na gusto nyo i-search. So displacement map guys, so starts with the offset which is yung X. Change lang yung X nito into 76 negative. And the Y naman is changed into 36 positive. Okay? And click nyo lang to. Okay na yan guys. Okay na yan. No? So next, the last one is the spin. Okay? So spin guys. Spin change into 156 guys. Okay, so after this spin guys, no? So next is add agad tayo ng next rounded rectangle guys. Ganyan lang yung rounded rectangle na yan. Okay, so proceed na tayo sa next rounded rectangle. Same pa rin yung adjustment niya. Full screen nyo lang. And then, split din natin. Align din natin siya sa kabilang rounded rectangle na inad natin kanina. Then, add effects na agad kayo guys. First is the copy background. Second one is the invert. Okay? Invert nyo lang guys. Next, after that, add kayo ng blink. Blink, i-frequency nyo lang ng 16 Hz guys. And after that, add na kayo ng tiles. Enable the mirror. Ganyan lang. So, bali ganito yung kalabasan na dito guys. Ayan. So, sobrang smooth nga, no? Ng transition, sobrang angas nga. And the next, continue na agad tayo dito sa next part, guys. So, bali, ganito na yung kalabasan niya dito sa pinaka first part natin ginawa, guys. So, step by step lang ko lang, guys, para di tayo malito sa ano natin, no? So, bali, ganito na yung kalabasan niya dito, mga lodi, okay? Ayan. So, ganyan yung kalabasan niya dyan, guys. Okay? So, next step na agad tayo, guys. Proceed na next step, which is dito na part. At lang tayo dyan ng next picture, guys. Okay? And then ito, extend lang natin siya dito na part, guys, sa may 22.02. Okay? Next step, continue. Add tayo ng next. And then, ito, guys, pili lang kayo ng picture. And then, extend lang din natin siya dito na part sa may 24.01. And the last one, the last picture, add lang kayo. And then, i-extend nyo lang dito, guys, or split nyo lang dito sa pinaka-last ng markings. Wait lang. Dito. Okay, then dito sa last part, add lang kayo dyan ng rounded rectangle for the fade out or blink fade out. Split lang din natin siya dito sa may 26.16. Click this color and fill agad. Click nyo to. And punta tayo sa effects. Add effects lang tayo dyan ng exposure gamma, guys. First keyframe the exposure is 2. Last keyframe is -2. Okay, next of the exposure, add lang guys ng blink muna. Then 16 Hz nyo lang. Next of the blink is add lang ng hot color effect, guys. Hot color naman, so pili lang kayo kung ano yung prefer nyo, guys. So ganyan na. So next, focus na agad tayo dito sa dalawang picture na nilagay natin earlier. So ito is move and transform na agad natin to, guys. Start tayo sa unang picture na yan. Move and transform. Zoom icon. First, put a keyframe dito, guys. Okay? And second one is zoom nyo lang ng konti. The third one, zoom nyo pa rin. And the next one, zoom nyo pa rin, guys. Okay, and sa last part, dyan na kayo mag-unzoom, guys. Okay? Ganyan, unzoom nyo lang sa last part. Okay, next, copy nyo itong graph na to, guys. Huwag nyo kalimutan, ganyan yung graph natin na nilagay, guys. So, dapat ganyan yung graph na ilagay nyo, okay? So, ganito na yung move and transform niya dyan, guys, sa first picture na inad natin dyan na part. So, next, proceed tayo dito sa next picture, okay? So, bali ito, click nyo yan, move and transform agad natin yan, guys, no? So, first, put a keyframe dito. And then, dito, put a keyframe dyan sa 23.09. And sa last part, put a keyframe din. So, dito sa nilive natin, guys, dyan. So, mag-zoom lang tayo dyan, guys. Okay? And then, dito, so, mag-zoom lang din tayo dyan. Okay, next. Same graph pa rin, guys. Ganito pa rin yung graph natin na ilagay. Okay? Yan. So, ganyan yung graph natin. Same graph lang, mga lodi, no? Okay, so ganyan yung graph niya dyan. After that, dito na sa last part, so move and transform tayo, continue. Zoom icon again. First, put a keyframe, and the second one, unzoom nyo lang to. Second one, zoom nyo na ng ganito, guys. Yan. The next one, zoom pa rin, ganito na. Sa last part, unzoom nyo na siya, guys. Back to normal ratio. Okay, then copy this graph, guys. Same graph pa rin, no? Okay, so after that, so ganyan yung kalabasan niya dyan. And punta na agad tayo sa 360 spin, guys. Lipat tayo dyan. First, put a keyframe. Second one dito, guys, change yun lang into +5. +5. Okay, next dito is 0 degrees. Okay? And the fourth keyframe, change into -5 degrees. Sa last part is 0 nyo lang, guys. Okay? Then same graph pa rin yung gagawin nyo, guys. Dapat same graph yung move and transfer para hindi magulo. Okay. So, ganyan na, guys, no? Ayan. So, we're done for the move and transform, guys. After that, split every markings na agad natin lahat, guys. Okay? Split every markings nyo lang after yung malagyan ng move and transform. Okay, after yung split every markings, guys, next is mag-flip horizontally tayo dito. Flip horizontally, and then itong part na yan. Okay, next clip. So, dito naman, ito. Flip horizontally, and next ito. Flip horizontally. And then, dun sa last part, flip horizontally ito. And then, ito guys. Okay, so after mo ma-flip horizontally guys, next step, continue for the next step. So, lagyan natin to ng una guys. Unahin natin itong lagyan itong shake sa upper part. Okay, so unahin natin tong part na to dito sa may 20.80 na part, itong part na yan. So, ganito lang. Unahin natin yan guys. First is the tiles, enable the mirror. Second one, add the oscillate. No, oscillate guys. Oscillate, angle, start tayo sa angle niya, which is, first key from the angle is 0.0 degrees. And the last one is change lang to 169 degrees guys, okay? Okay, next, the frequency is 2.10 Hz. Next, the magnitude guys. First key from the magnitude is 120. And the last keyframe is 0 nyo lang. Okay, then copy lang. Walang graph to. Next, add na kayo ng swing guys. Swing naman, frequency is change lang to 1.11. And then the angle 1 guys. First key from the angle 1 is negative 3.0. The last one is change lang to 0.0 guys. Okay, next, the angle 2. First key from the angle 2 guys is positive 3.0. Okay, and last keyframe is 0 lang din natin. Okay, next, after the swing, add lang ng motion blur. Change the motion blur or the tune into 1.60. Next one is add lang guys ng mirror. Okay, mirror guys, first key from the alpha is 100%. Last keyframe is change yung line to 0%. Okay, then copy itong graph na to guys. Yan. Okay, so after this one, so copy all effects na agad natin to guys. Lahat, and i-paste natin dito sa lahat sa upper part muna, okay? Hanggang doon. Okay, paste lang natin dyan. Okay, so after yung ma-paste dyan lahat guys, no? Doon sa lower part, okay? Paste din natin, but i-delete natin yung part dito. Wait lang. So, paste natin dito sa lower part. Okay, paste. Pero, i-delete nyo tong oscillate and the swing guys. Pati na yung mirror. Delete the oscillate. Delete the swing. And delete the mirror. Only the tiles and motion blur lang yung ano guys, dapat naka-attach. Okay, so next, add lang din kayo na exposure gamma, no? First keyframe of the exposure is 1. The last keyframe is 0. Okay, after that, copy nyo tong graph na to. Okay, so next is, after this, sa exposure gamma, add lang kayo ng oscillate again. Okay, but ganito yung adjustment kan dito guys. So, first keyframe, sa angle nga, walang keyframe, change lang to 90 degrees. Okay? Then, frequency, change lang to 0.40 Hz. Okay, then the magnitude guys, first key from the magnitude is change lang to 110. And the last keyframe is 0 guys. Okay. After this one, no? Okay, after this, so copy effects natin natin. Ganyan lang yung shakes na dyan. Then, paste natin dito sa lower. Dyan, and then ito. Ganyan lang siya mga low D. So, bali ganito yung shakes na dyan guys. Ayan, sobrang smooth niya, no? Ayan. Okay, so next guys, so focus na agad tayo doon sa my next part, which is sa rectangle warp guys. Okay, so next step is the rectangle warp. Dito tayo mag-start sa may 19.12 na part guys. Diyan, sa 19.12 na durations. Add lang kayo dyan ng rounded rectangle, fill screen, and extend nyo dyan dito sa may 20.27 na part guys. Split nyo lang. Okay. Next, click the effects guys, to. Click nyo na agad tong effects na to mga lords, and add effects lang tayo guys ng copy background. First is the copy background. After that copy background, add lang kayo guys ng tiles and enable ng mga mirror na to. After the tiles, add lang guys ng wave warp. Okay, wave warp. Okay, wave warp guys. So first put a keyframe sa face which is 0. Second dito is change line to 1. And sa last part dito guys, change line to 2. Okay, then copy nyo itong graph na to for the last graph and the first graph. Okay, next, angle, angle, i-change lang to guys into negative 110, ayan. And the spacing, change it to 10. Okay, and the magnitude guys, first key from the magnitude is 0. And the second one is change into 5.7. Okay, then the last is change lang siya guys into 0 again. I-copy this graph, no? The last graph and the first graph. Okay. Next, after dito guys, so bali ganyan lang yung ano niya. Duplicate nyo lang yung wave warp. And yes, ganito lang. Edit nyo yung angle ito guys into negative 45 degrees and edit the spacing into 4.5. Okay, so ganyan lang yung ano niya guys, dyan guys sa duplicated wave warp. Okay, so ganyan agad yung ano natin dyan guys, rounded rectangle. Okay, so proceed na agad tayo next step. So sa raster rectangle ano naman, warp. So bali dyan sa may 20.05 ang laki ng rectangle. Fill screen again and dito nyo siya split sa may 20/26. Okay, click this effects guys, add na agad tayo ng effects which is first is copy background. Second one is the raster transform. So raster transform, first key from the scale is 1.10. Last keyframe changing to 2. Okay, then copy this graph guys for this scale. After that, so next pixelate. Change into 26 yung ano niya and vignette is 100% lang. Okay, then after that punta tayo sa blending capacity. First for the keyframe 100%. Last keyframe is 0% lang. Okay, so sundan nyo lang guys, no? So next after that, so ganito na. So i-put down nyo lang guys. Ayan, dapat naka-down yung ano niya. So select nyo ang dalawang yan and then copy layer lang natin guys. Copy to layers. Okay, then i-paste nyo lang siya dito na part guys. Dito sa may, dyan sa may 21.10 paste. Okay, then make sure naka-align yung markings niya guys sa keyframe na puti. Ayan. Align nyo lang dyan. Okay, so next dito sa may wait lang, sa may 23.09 paste 2 layers again. And make sure naka-align din to. Adjust nyo lang, align nyo lang dapat. Okay, so ganyan guys, no? So ganyan. After that guys, next sa coloring na agad tayo guys. For the coloring naman, nag-tutorial na din ako dito previous video natin. Copy layers ko lang to, then i-paste ko lang doon sa pinaka-project natin. So check nyo lang yung link guys andyan sa comment section kung paano ko to ginawang coloring na to. Pwede nyo din i-export nyo muna yung project nyo kung nag-home siya pag nag-export kayo guys. So yes, pwede nyo i-export muna bago kayo maglagay ng coloring. So yes, ganyan guys. So that's it for this video. So sana nag-enjoy guys sa tutorial natin for today's video guys, no? So yes, so if you are new here, please click the subscribe button and the bell button beside so that you'll be updated on my next video. So thank you so much for watching this video guys and see you on my next one. Bye!